So this is the beginning of my Three Sisters garden. Again, I've got a about a 4x8 raised bed that I put in. I've got my other raised beds over there, and I made 2 mounds, probably about 2.5 feet in diameter. And what I'm going to do now is plant some of the corn that I've started. And it's the end of May. Our next step after getting the corn, and I put 3 corn on top here, is we're actually planting beans. A pole bean. All the way around the corn here. Kind of a circle adjacent to, so they can use the corn as a pole. And our final step, so we've got the corn established, and we've got our beans that are going to pop up, and now we actually have some bean or squash seeds that we'll put on the sides and then in between the mounds, and that's actually going to do all the weed control for us. Meanwhile, the beans are going to be a good nitrogen fixer. So we're out here today actually picking beans, and at our Three Sisters garden. It's the beginning of September. You can tell we got a couple little pumpkins. I got a pretty good sized one right there. The corn is ready to be picked. Corn is actually perfect. So again, this worked pretty well for doing a traditional Three Sisters garden. And next year what we're going to do is actually do a third mound in this box, and we're going to do another Three Sisters garden because this one worked so well. It's actually pretty cool to see how all the different vegetables work together. As you can see, the beans using the corn as a pole to climb up. Okay, a little snail there. The beans are a nitrogen fixer, and the pumpkins and squash really do a good job of keeping the weeds down. I barely weeded this bed this year. So again, yeah, really cool experiment. The kids had a good time doing it as well.